Hi everyone, this is Tingting. Welcome to our weekly problem solving practice. Let's see how to solve this question. Consider the three sequences that continue to go up in equal steps. The question is, what is the first number that occurs in all three sequences? Let's find the pattern for each sequence. For the first sequence, we can see that the last digit must be either 4 or 9. For the second sequence, since the number increases by 11 each time and the first number is 10, we can express it as 11n minus 1, where n represents the nth term. For the third sequence, since the number increases by 17 each time and the first number is 16, we can express it as 17n minus 1. Since the second sequence is 11n minus 1 and the third sequence is 17n minus 1, we can easily find numbers that are common to both sequences. Then, we just need to check whether the number ends with 4 or 9. The first common number that appears in both the second and third sequences is least common multiple of 11 and 17, the minus 1. Since 11 and 17 have no common factors, the LCM of 11 and 17 is 11 times 17, which is 187. 187 minus 1 equals 186. But 186 doesn't end with 4 or 9. So we need to look for the next common number of sequence 2 and 3, which increase by 187. However, the next number ends with 3. Starting from 186, we continue adding 187 until the last digit becomes 4 or 9. We can express these common numbers as 187m minus 1. First, suppose this number ends with 4. Then 187m must end with 5. So m must be 5, and the number is 187 times 5 minus 1. But the number may also end with 9. In that case, 187m must end with 0, so m must be 10, and the number is 187 times 10 minus 1. Obviously, 187 times 5 minus 1 is smaller, so it is the first number that occurs in all three sequences. Let's work it out. 187 times 5 minus 1 equals 7 times 5 equals 35, then 8 times 5, 40, 43, 1 times 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, so it's 935 minus 1, the answer is 934. Therefore, 934 is the correct answer.